Hello and welcome back, y'all. Today we're doing a little bit of van shit today. And I got that drawer finished up. It's perfect. So we're gonna make some finishing touches on that. And I did grab some storage boxes. So I'm using rivet nuts to hold the wheel to the box using machine screws. Shit. Well, I guess that means no need to go full force. Damn. I hope I can get that out. Shit. So I put that wheel over there just to help keeping it from dip. I guess it's still dipping to the, I probably should put it on the end. Yeah, I should have. We'll move this one closer to here, this one closer to here, relocate to the rear, add another one right there. All right, so I moved all the wheels back. It didn't feel right. It wasn't as smooth. So I put all the wheels back. I took off the extra one. Got this mounted. I got one screw holding this on until I know where it wants to sit. I got it. I don't know if it's too tight or not, but it feels so good right now. It's perfect. Look at that. Barely even dipping. That's wild. Let's take a look at the level. Okay. That's the bed right now. Now let's see. What the heck? It's more level. Oh, well, that's because we're going downhill. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so we're pretty much evening out. That's funny. Yeah, this is perfect. I'll probably want to put some sort of deadbolt so I can lock it into place when I'm using table mode. Oh, I'm hungry. All right, I rotated the two beams that were right here. I think that this would be better as more of compartments. Yes. I'm wondering if something like this would be better. Ooh, that would be perfect. No sense in going halfway. Might as well go all the way to the edge. That'd be perfect. Let's give it a shot. So I just came up with the most brilliant idea. Stirring sticks. Boom. Nail one there. Nail one there. Hell yeah. And they're free. I just gotta grab a handful every time I go in. They also have bigger ones. That's amazing. Good job, Paul. There we go. That looks good. I don't know how well that's gonna hold. Stirring sticks are a little flimsy, but we'll give it a try. I think we're gonna pull this off. Yeah, let's just do it right now because it's falling apart. This stuff is garbage. All right, swapped out the other side with the wider stuff, and got an idea. I've got some of this fabric left, so I'm gonna make a little pouch. Bingo. I left a little bit extra slack just in case I need to tighten it up. I like it. Sweet. Hell yeah, look at all this. Can have more little clamps. If I go get some more, I wonder how I can make, divide this. Obviously if I got another one, but if I can find a way that's thinner. Yeah, that's not bad. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Maybe 3/4 of an inch. We'll see. Man, this is so much better. I still have some organizing to do. Of course. Of course. Yeah? Dude, that feels so good. Like, what? Look. Freaking smooth. So freaking smooth. Look at this. That's freaking pimping, dude. Oh, that's so awesome. I did a good job. Now, the real question is, are these $3 wheels going to last? I hope so. But I don't think they will. Because Harbor Freight things suck. Oh, that's so awesome. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna continue on with the garage space remodel. Well, actually, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, appreciate you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Adios. Alright, so today we're gonna finish this. I went and picked up some more stirring sticks. Probably should get more, but I just didn't want to walk out with a freaking pile. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make more cubbies, knock these out, add the bigger ones, and I really want to add some color to this. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna paint all of these, probably tsunami blue or something similar. Paint those, let those dry, and then we'll mount them. And then I think I'm gonna throw some carpet down on the bottom too, just so things don't slide around as much. So this is all the scrap wood. So let's see if we can find something that we can use. There we go. There's some pieces. There we go. Threaded in some screws just so I can hold them like a popsicle. Paint them. And then what do we do from there? Alright, here's my idea. Mount some magnets. There we go. Let them air dry. Sweet. Let those dry. Let's vacuum this out, and then maybe I'll just throw a carpet on the bottoms too. Let's see how good my cut was. Oh, not bad, not bad. Could be better. Could be better. That's all right. Nice. Looking good. I'm gonna wait to staple this until I got the frame up. Look at that. Sweet. Let's see, are these dry? Oh, heck yeah, they are. Nice. Dude, this is looking awesome. Kind of hard to see. And I've been hitting them right on the money. I only got about 3/4 of an inch to work with. Sweet. Can't wait to see this during the day. I made a big one over here. I might put up another strip. I just don't know what I want to do between. Like for here, do I want to do strip or pouch style? You know, strip or pouch style. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this until I know for sure. This is awesome. Oh, well, we're gonna call it a night. I'm done. The drawer is practically done. I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the other compartments, whether we're gonna do stick or like cubby or pouch. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out. We're about a quarter way done with this remodel. As you can tell, we got the front section done. So this section of the garage remodel's done. I need to figure out what to do. Well, I know what I'm gonna do. You'll have to stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna make a storage compartment up here. And then this freaking mess. Oh, yeah, we're gonna put a drawer slide right here. You know, I'm probably gonna, since this turned out so good, I think I'm gonna put caster wheels on another drawer. For like, this side's gonna be tools, this side's gonna be hobby. So like rock hounding stuff, paddleboard or kayak stuff. But I appreciate you guys. I thank you guys. I love you guys. I hope you're safe. I hope you're having fun. Don't forget to enjoy life. Life's too short to be, I don't know, working a 9 to 5 to make someone else rich. Make yourself rich spiritually and physically. You know, go have fun. Enjoy life. I appreciate you guys. See you guys tomorrow, all right? Adios.